How to color. Grade your photo in Photoshop. If you want to make your photos look more cinematic, vibrant, or professionally edited, color grading is one of the best tools to use in Photoshop. In this tutorial, I'll show you a simple and effective way to color grade any image. First, open Adobe Photoshop. Go to the File menu and click Open, then choose the photo you want to color grade. Once your image is loaded, go to the Filter menu and select Camera Raw. Filter. You can also use the shortcut key if it's enabled on your system. When Camera Raw opens, you'll see a full panel of editing controls. Here, you can adjust everything according to your image. Change the temperature, tint, exposure, highlights, shadows, and all other color grading sliders to match the mood you want. Take your time and tweak the settings until your photo looks exactly how you imagined. Once you're satisfied with the color grading, click the OK button. Your edited version will appear instantly, and you can easily compare the difference between your raw photo and the final color-graded result. And that's it. You've successfully color-graded your photo in Photoshop with just a few simple steps. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy Photoshop tips. Thanks for watching.